Go.
Hey, this is Darren and Harley with WeTJ. Welcome.
Welcome. Okay, before we get started, let me tell you this real quick. My name Darren. Wife named Jenny. Son named Harley. Your name I want to know. Okay,
It was a lot better than that.
Yeah, that was my voicemail for a while. And here about 15 miles away. Oh, this kid is riding without a shirt. Oh.
Did I get him?
Oh, we're going to have to pick him up with a spatula here soon. He seems like a good kid, but we're going to have to get a full-size spatula.
Anyway, so you did that voicemail.
No shirt, asphalt, dirt bike, what can you lose?
I've heard the voicemail, and it does sound like a legit
That was a
caveman.
long time back till my wife, he's popping wheelies now. But she made me erase it.
Okay,
gotta get
back
that
to the
back.
topic of the video. The reason we started the Jeep channel
Oh, jeez.
was
What a
because
crazy
of forum disinformation being one, and second being that we wanted to show you guys working on the Jeeps and showing them off. All right, we're going to cap that there. You guys should be able to get enough information from what I said there. This is the fun channel. We have a construction channel. He's the owner of Confident Home Solutions. I'm an employee, future owner. Most likely. So, this is the fun channel, and 80 to 90% of it will still be Jeep stuff, but we do want to start throwing in Sig, Czech Shepherd. He's like royal.
Royalty.
Yeah, out of all there's like 3 big litter groups of Czech Shepherds there, and his Sig's mom and dad are like at the top.
Certified trainer right here, but he does either way. So we're going to show some things on this channel that are outside of the the TJ realm. So that's what we want to do. This is our fun channel. Like I said, he said 80-90% is going to remain TJ, but we're going to throw some dog education in there, because if you own a shepherd or whatever, any working dog, he's got some good stuff that I wish I would have known when I was younger.
Yeah.
The other thing is lawn care. We're not going to do lawn care, but anything mechanical, such as this overseater right here. We've been using this stupid thing for 2 years, and the thing's been totally shot. We didn't understand why, so we're going to actually share this on the channel. So, guys and girls, our channel's not going to be drastically changing, but we're going to be putting some other things on there that we want to, that we're interested in, that we're working on ourselves.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add?
Well, I think it's always been a man's journey to figure out how to grow grass, and we've been puzzling trying to figure out how to do it.
Woman say, go grow grass, man. Man's like, I don't know how.
Back to the caveman thing.
So so the forums, I do want to touch on this. Just 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. The forums, he's walking away. They're full of garbage. I always say that the people that are on there just spew drivel. They spew diarrhea. And that's one of my biggest reasons for starting this channel, is because, hey, we're not going to tell you. We're just going to show you. And yeah, we're not 100% right. No one is. But we're just going to show you our results. And we don't sugarcoat it.
Yeah.
It is what it is. We got a tire video coming up. I don't know if it'll be up before or after this. He doesn't sugarcoat his Yokohama Geolander XMTs. Well, that took me a while to learn that.
Yeah.
But can we cut it off?
Yeah.
We done? I can't. You cut it off.
Oh, this is Darren and Harley with WeTJ, and we're starting to be out.
I see it.